Imagine finally finding it, the house you've been searching for, the one you can already picture yourself living in. For a moment, everything feels right.
This is usually the point where buyers stop asking questions. They've already fallen in love.
Most people believe buying a home is about finding the one that feels right. Sometimes, it's exactly what gets them into trouble.
When you've spent 20 years building homes, you start seeing things other people don't. We were ready to make an offer. Tony asked us to wait one more day.
My job isn't helping people buy houses. It's helping them make smart decisions.
The right home isn't just beautiful. It's built well, priced well, and fits the life you're trying to build.
Sometimes, walking away is the best decision you'll ever make.
This one felt different, not because it looked better, because we knew it was right. Buying a home shouldn't feel like gambling. You deserve someone who knows what to look for before you sign.